So guys, in today's video, I am telling you about how to create a super user in the Django. So see the video start to end. If you do not see the video start to end, you have problems with your code. That's why I am telling you. And please like this video, share your friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to call the notification bell also. So I do not take a long time. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video, I am telling you how to create a username using the Django plus Python. Okay, and in today's video we are using our Replit. I am not using Visual Studio Code because you are a beginner, you have problems with your code. That's why I'm not using a Visual Studio Code. That's why I'm using a Replit. So I open my Replit like that, and when you open your Replit, so what you can do, you click onto the create REPL. There's a one option. Let me see you. Where is that? There's a one option of create REPL. Click on that. Then you come onto this type of interface. Is come on your that, and do not scroll it here like that. Search here template. Our template is the Django. So there the Django's come. Here you can see it. Select the Django. Title, give the title, user name. You give any title here. I am giving like that in the Django. And now when the work is done till here, so do not done anything. Only here you can see it. This is our work is done. Please must be select the Django. Do not select Python. Okay. And then here you can see it. There is the option of create REPL. Here you can see it. Click here. Then it is taking loading. When it takes loading. So there is one working option. There is loading. So now it is come run. So our file will be made it like that. Here you can see it. So here you can see it. This file is made it. So in there, here, what you can do, let me tell you. It is making our files. Where are our files? Okay. Double click on here on the Django project. So your all this important files will be come here. Click onto this init.py file. And now what you can do when your work is done till here, so click on this run button. So our browser will be run. Okay, and a shortcut key is control enter, but I tell you about please run directly. Okay, from here first of all select manage.py file, then run from here. So it will taking working. So here it will be run it. Then let me see you here. See it, our browsers will be run it easily. Yes. And now let me tell you when our browsers will be run. So now let me tell you what you can do. Go and select our URL as .py file. So erase this all things. It is not much important. So that's why I'm removing it. This is a very much less comments. Okay, I am erasing that. Then now, so this type of interface is come on your run section of web view. This type of section will become, I hope. Okay, so this type of section will not come in your browser. So you must have error in your course. So see that your all things. And now let me tell you how to create a username. So first of all, we create a username to, first of all, what you can do, we are just doing. Okay, now select this admin thing, select it, and here, okay, here paste it like that here. Okay, and then press enter. When you press enter, then you go onto your browser. So this type of admin, you will become on this type of admin, the Django administrator. Okay, this type of, I hope you come on to this type of that. Why it is not going back to my page? Yeah, it is come now. Now let's make a username. If you write anything, so your username will be not make. So now let me tell you how to create a username, because our main topic is username. So here we can write like into the shell. Click onto the shell, not console, shell. Click onto the first of all shell. Then you can write like Python manage.py create username. Enter press. Sorry. Python manage.py. Here I am writing like username. Now what is my mistake? Let me see you. So now I see my mistake, and if we have not a username and password. Now let me tell you how to create. First of all, you write like here. First of all, we zoom it. Then you will be see it clearly. That's why I'm zooming. Python manage.py create super user. Then enter. Then here it is saying like user, leave a blank to use runner. User is my admin. You write here anything, okay? Enter press. Email address admin@gmail.com. Enter. Now it say write your password. Okay, it say first of all I unzoom it and unzoom it again and again. Then do like that. Then password I am giving like admin12. Admin12 is my password, and it will not show your password. Okay, it is, but when you write password, enter press. Now it said write your password again, admin12, enter. So here's saying like bypass password validation and create user anyway. I write like Y, then enter press. So our super user is created successfully. So now in user, I write like here admin, and in the password, I write my password, which I give 12, then login. So it will be created. Okay, your this username has been created. Okay, and must be like your password like that. It is created. When you write like here, if you do not create your super username and you write here anything, your password is anything, you write like anything, so it will be not apply. Okay, here you can see it in today's video. I tell you about how to create a super user name in the Django plus Python. Okay, like that. Okay, now so I meet you next class. In today's video, I tell you that, and I hope you enjoy this class. I hope you very enjoy this class. So now I do not take a long time, so I meet you next class. And if you do not know what is the Django, I do not know the Django, so I am uploading my videos of the Django, so see that videos also, then you will be understand it what is Django. I recently uploading the new videos of the Django, like this introduction to the Django. This is our first video. See that video, then I upload many videos of the Django. Then I make a playlist, then all thing. Okay, and then you bookmark the playlist. Okay, so now I meet you next class. In today's video, I tell you that very beautiful video it is. So now I meet you next class, next very amazing class. And if you do not know, if you have problems in Django and Python, so go on to the playlist and access my this Python tutorial with project playlist. In this playlist, I tell you about all things, what is loops, all things, while loops, strings, variables. I tell you all things. So see this video, also see this playlist also. Okay, then you will be your mind will be clear. Then you will be easily as you are doing your work in the Django and Python. So now I do not take a long time. So I meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.